Hello. Today we are going to see how to build a simple computer network using Cisco Packet Tracer. Basically, it is a simulation of packet flow. Okay. So this is the GUI available with Cisco Packet Tracer. Now from here, to build the network, we'll need the end devices. Okay. So from here, we'll select the end devices. Okay, so here you can see the PCs. Okay, so PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. Okay, then we'll take the end devices. Sorry, we'll take the network devices. We'll take switches, switch 1, switch 2, then we'll take routers, router 1, router 2. Okay, now we have to establish the connection between them. So we'll select the, we'll take the automatic connection type, which will automatically see what kind of cable is there and all. Okay, connect all the devices. Okay, now we need to assign the addresses. Okay, now this is our first network, this is our second network. Okay, and this is our third network. That means the two routers, any two different networks can be connected. Okay, so we have to assign the IP addresses. So click on this. What you get is you need to open the desktop, then IP configuration. Okay, yeah. So first we'll assign. We'll see the domain name for this one. Okay, so we'll take a note. So 192.168.1.0. This is one network. Similarly, this is second network, 192.168.2.0. Okay, and this is the third one, 10.12.1.0. Okay, yeah. Now in these three different networks we have to assign the IP addresses. Okay, so switch 1 need to assign the IP address. For PC1, assign the IP address 192.168.1.2. Why 2? Because here you can see this router. Yes, this router is there. So we are going to assign the this as a default gateway, and it will be we are going to assign .1.1 as address to it. Okay, so for this one we are assigning 192.168.1.2. Here the default gateway is the 192.168.1.1. Understood? Now, the mask is taken automatically. Okay, and similarly for this PC, assign the IP address is 192.168.2.1.3, and this one is okay. Yeah. Now assign the IP address to this router. Configuration, fast Ethernet, .1. Put the interface on, port status on, closed. Similarly, assign the IP addresses here. 192.168.2.2, 192.168.2.1 because this will be the router address. Okay, done. Yeah, assign the router address. Okay, we don't assign any IP address to switches because they work at the data link and physical, which is works on MAC addresses. Okay, then we'll take in the router we have to establish. Now here you can see the it is showing the connection with green dots. Okay, now to establish the connection between two we have to provide a serial connection. So serial we have to assign the IP address of this network. Okay, so serial 10.12.1.1. Okay, close. Serial 10.12.1.2. Yeah, then again we are going to use the router information protocol. Okay, so we need to add the addresses in the protocol. Okay, so this is first network, this is second network. Okay, so first one is 192.168.1.0 add, then second is 10.12.1.0 add. Similarly for this router okay. Now what you need to do is we have to okay, so this is all done. Now we'll see we'll take a simple packet. Okay, so from here to here you can see here the status in this window. Okay, then from here between two routers, okay, it is showing router 0 and router 1 successful. And we'll take another packet, this PC and this PC. Okay, we need to see the time interfaces. Okay, so here we'll take say 4000 and here okay, then okay, now what you can see is here showing successful, then from here to here. Okay, okay, successful. Yeah. So Similar way we can use different we can create different networks, different topologies. Okay, and in the simulation here you can see how the packets are moving. It is a simulation view. Okay, how the packet travels. And here in this window simulation panel, here you can see the status of packets. Okay, the simple packet format, that is ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is shown here. Okay, why we are using ICMP? Because you all know the significance of ICMP, that it also provides the error packets. Okay, for connectivity, for checking the connectivity. Okay, yeah, so that's all.